What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in again. So right here behind me, hopefully you see the green cart there. Well, that's the Spartan we did a review on, and it's been here for a little while. We've just been waiting on the customer basically to, figure out whether they wanted to go back with the AGM style or maybe do a lithium conversion. And so thankfully they've decided to do a lithium conversion. It's going to be a really nice upgrade to this golf cart. This one will take some doing to do the proper install for the Bolt Energy lithium battery. It's not really common for the Bolt to be in this style of golf cart, but the thing is where it's similar to Yamaha, it is very doable. Got the batteries out of it. Took all them pieces of junk out of there. Now we got to get our reducer out. Got to get the charger out. I think you're gonna have to get inside of this to be able to get your cables out. Your positive and negative that hooks to the battery pack. You got to get them out because you definitely want to upsize the cable. Notice some of the things that you buy off Amazon does not come with cables. Does not come with a heavier solenoid. It's got to be at least 400 amp capable because the lithium battery does put a better surge through the system, and it will eventually burn up your stock solenoid. They do not give you mounting brackets for your battery to go in the tray. They don't give you a hardware kit. They definitely don't give you a reducer to reduce your voltage down to operate all your electronics, headlights, dash, reverse camera if you've got one, lights, light for street legal kit, and then some of your lights have, your mirrors have some lights in them too that's got to be operated by a voltage reducer. You will not get that with any of those companies on Amazon as far as I've been able to see. And guys, if you want to go lithium and you potentially have this cart or others, we will happily supply the battery for you and everything that you will need. It's also on our website. You can go check it out on the website for the Bolt Energy battery. Great company. Alright guys, so we got all our cables off of the controller. Ground and negative main cables to the controller. Now we're getting the charger out. It's an AGM style charger. It's got to go because you can't charge AGM, can't charge lithium with AGM style charger. To simply get this out of the vehicle, you're just going to unplug from your charge port. You'll have your charge port wires laying here all the way up to the port, which is right there, and then your wires that hooked to the battery to charge the battery. That's it for that. And then there's 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be 4 bolts in here, 1 missing, so you get those 3 out, and this thing will come right on out of here. So, all right, guys. So, got a few things done on getting the lithium installed here. We got our charge port in place, battery meter. We went ahead and done our positive and negative cables from our controller. Alright, there you go, guys. Got our battery bracket all supported into the cart now. I'm choosing to put the battery facing the driver's side because it's just going to be really easy to just power up here, put your cables to it, positive and negative, and the charger, and then you're ready to rip. So, but yeah, 4 bolts hold the bracket because the bracket is a 2-piece unit here, and you just mark your holes after you get your measurement. Mark your holes on both pieces of the mounting bracket, drill through the battery tray here. Then you're gonna, don't tighten them all the way down, just snug up all the bolts, because you're gonna want to be able to adjust the plates to the battery feet, but getting it close is the key. Once you got it close, the battery should sit right here, and then you just adjust you know, in or out a little bit till you find the holes for, obviously the holes right here. And there are multiple places that you can use, like if you wanted to set the battery all the way back, you can certainly do that. You know, just depends on however you want it to be in your cart. But I'm going to put it right here like this, just due to the easy access factor here. So going to continue on. We're going to put our charger in, going to get our reducer in, going to get it wired up. Alright guys, so we've got our cover back on our electronic area. Got our wires all zip tied back to the frame rail right here like it was. And our battery compartment is complete. Everything's zip tied up. Everything is working as it should. Dashboard comes on. Lights come on. Signals are working. High-low beams work. It's doing exactly what it should. It's charging properly. Alright guys, we are all wired up. Got my voltage reducer wired up. Charger's in. I did put it behind the battery back there. Our charging system is doing what it's supposed to do. Got to do a little bit of wire management, not a lot, because I've done some of it, like all our cords here for the charger, and then our wire for the display. Alright guys, all done. You see this light going crazy underneath the cart, matching the cart scheme. Double check the radio here to make sure it was coming on. Turn that off. This thing will absolutely rip. All done. Much better cart now. Again, this is by Bolt Energy. If you're interested in one of these kits to add to your golf cart, feel free to reach out to us, guys. We'll get you what you need. And another one bites the dust. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, don't forget to hit that like button, grab that notification bell so that you get all these new videos that we put out. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. You might find something on there that actually helps you figure out what's wrong with the cart you have. We have tons of videos on pretty much all the brands, at least the big three out there, and we do have a few of the Axis brand. You now see us messing with the Spartan brand. And with the battery that you see in the video, like I said, if you want to go that route, very great company. Love them to death. Great with the customer support. And their kit is, in my opinion, top tier battery kit. You won't find nothing like it anywhere else. It's a great battery. So keep that in mind, guys, and God bless you.